what's going on inside here. So in this video, I want to show you how you can use Upwork to help you with your project, right? So sometimes you want someone to edit your videos or add the intro or design a logo for you. You don't want to do all the things yourself, right? So you can go to Upwork to find someone to help you with that. So the first thing you want to do is you want to click on Post a Job, right? Then you want to choose the type. You want a short-term or part-time job, or you want a dedicated long-term job, right? Then you just choose one, like maybe I want a short-term. I want someone to help me with my editing. Then you want to enter a name with your post, your job post. Maybe my videos, right? So you can say editing my videos for YouTube. Then you can choose the job category, right? So maybe it's editing, right? So next. Then you can add more description about your project. So I want someone. So you have to write down all the details here. Maybe you have a video you want to edit. You can put a link here. Or you want to copy and you have some sample, you want them to model after, you just post everything here. And the one thing I like to do is I like to say, hey, say Apple to apply for this job, because I want to make sure they do read the description, because there are some people they never read. They just say, hey, they just apply for every job. Then after communication, you know that they don't really know the project. You have to re-explain everything to them. It's really a time waster. So for me, I just like to say, hey, say Apple to apply for this job. So they will have to say Apple. And so if you don't see any Apple in their message, you know they are not reading your description. Don't waste your time. Just ignore them. Then you click on next. Then you can choose if this is a one-time project or if it's an ongoing project, right? So maybe this is a one-time. So you want to choose the skill they need. Maybe they need to know Adobe like software. Maybe they need to know intro, outro, things like that. Then you just click on next. Then you can say anyone can apply or only invitation only, right? Or you can choose you need only one freelancer, or you want more than one. Maybe you want 5 or 6. Then you want to click on next. Then you want to choose, you want to pay by hour, or you want to pay a fixed price, right? So I like to do pay by fixed price if it's a one-time only project. But if it's an ongoing project, maybe it's for like video editing, then I definitely will go to pay by the hour, and I would choose expert. But it's all up to you, right? You don't have to follow my criteria. Then I can choose this one. Then I just click on next. Then if everything is ready, you just click on post job now. Then people will apply for your job, and they will try to, and you can invite other freelancers to apply for that as well. So it will show your homepage after you post the project. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to go and to see who is applying. So this is one of the project I was posting. So it shows all your candidates. You can choose to highlight them or turn them down, right? And then you can also see how much money they are earned on this platform already. And you can message them, or you can choose to hire them. And you can even go to their profile and check their information. So they will send you a message, and they will talk about like she's like experience, and like there are some of her samples, right? Then you can go to read the reviews and to check if she is a great fit. Then you can also see her portfolio, or then if you have any questions, you just leave there, and you can negotiate with the price or with the offer as well, right? Then if you decide to hire her, just click on the hire freelancer button, and that's how we hire Upwork. So after you click on the hiring button, you will see this page. Then you can change the detail, or you can change the offer, right? So, and then you can even like break down your project into milestones so that they don't have to do all the things at once. So you can say, hey, I pay you this much at the first milestone and I pay you that much at the second one. So that's how we do about that. And you can attach files as well. Then you want to click on yes, I understand and agree the term of service. Then you want to click on hire this guy. So the project won't start right away after you click on the hiring button. So it will show something like this, like you sent an offer, and you will talk about the details of the offer, right? So if the freelancer do accept the offer, it will show like someone accepted the offer. So that's how this project gets started. And you can do all the further communication just in the message box here. So that's how you can hire on Upwork. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.